If you're buying a Garmin watch in 2026, this is the only guide you need. I researched the entire lineup and picked the 8 best, from entry-level runner to flagship multisport. Running, fitness, outdoor, triathlon, there's a pick here for you. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget Garmin Watches. $150 to $200. Product number 1. Garmin Vivoactive 5 for $189.99. The Vivoactive 5 is Garmin's everyday fitness anchor, a AMOLED, 11-day battery, and a feature list reserved for higher tiers. Key specs: 42mm case, 1.2-inch AMOLED with always on, 11 days smartwatch battery, 30+ sports profiles, body battery energy monitoring, onboard music, Garmin Pay. Reviewers consistently report the always-on display stays readable in direct sunlight without crushing the 11-day battery claim. Here's what they don't tell you. No multi-band GPS means route accuracy drifts under tree cover. The bezel is plastic only, and there's no built-in flashlight like the newer models. Best for daily fitness users wanting a AMOLED at the budget end. Not for serious runners needing multi-band GPS accuracy. The everyday Garmin anchor, well chosen for a first watch. Product number 2. Garmin Forerunner 165 for $195. For runners specifically, the budget tier's anchor is the Forerunner 165. Key specs: 43mm case, 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen with traditional buttons, 11 days smartwatch battery, 25+ activity profiles, daily suggested workouts, Garmin Coach, morning report, lightweight design. Buyers highlight the running-specific user interface as cleaner than the Vivoactive line, with race-adaptive workouts that actually adjust to recovery. The reality check: no multi-band GPS means accuracy drifts in canyons or downtown. There are no built-in maps for offline navigation, and onboard music requires the separate music variant. Best for new and casual runners wanting a AMOLED with proper training tools. Not for trail runners needing maps or accurate canyon GPS. The cleanest path into Garmin's running ecosystem. Tier 2. Mid-range Garmin watches. $250 to $400. Product number 3. Garmin Vivoactive 6 for $249.99. Latest 2025 update. Multi-band GPS and 80+ sports apps arrive on the everyday Garmin. Key specs: 42mm case, 1.2-inch AMOLED with always on, 11 days smartwatch battery, 80+ sports apps, multi-band GPS, ECG, smart wake alarm, onboard music. Buyers highlight the GPS jump as the headline upgrade. Meaningfully better accuracy under trees and in cities than the Vivoactive 5. Here's the catch: still no built-in flashlight like the Venu 4. The case is plastic at this tier, and sleep coaching trails the Venu line. Best for active users wanting upgraded GPS without leaving the mid-tier. Not for anyone wanting premium materials at this tier. Multi-band GPS alone earns the step up. Product number 4. Garmin Instinct 3 Solar for $299.99. Built like a tool and powered by the sun. Key specs: 45mm fiber-reinforced polymer with metal-reinforced bezel, 0.9-inch memory and pixel display plus solar lens, built-in LED flashlight, multi-band SatIQ GPS, 10 atmosphere, military standard 810 tested. With 3 hours of daily sun, buyers report the battery effectively runs unlimited and the LED flashlight is genuinely useful for trail mornings. The trade-offs: the monochrome memory and pixel display looks dated next to AMOLED siblings. There's no onboard music storage and no touchscreen. Every interaction is button-driven. Best for hikers, hunters, and trail users wanting toughness with solar charging. Not for AMOLED lovers or anyone wanting touchscreen workflow. The lineup's no-compromise outdoor pick at this tier. Halfway through. If this is saving you from the wrong Garmin, hit like and drop your budget in the comments. I'll reply with my exact pick for you. Tier 3. Premium Garmin Watches. $400 to $550. Product number 5. Garmin Forerunner 570 for $449.99. Cross into the mid-flagship and Garmin's brightest AMO LED to date shows up. Key specs: 47mm aluminum bezel, brightest AMO LED in the lineup, 11-day battery, 18-hour GPS, multi-band GPS, ECG, skin temp sensor, built-in mic and speaker for paired phone calls. Buyers highlight training readiness as meaningfully more useful here. The score shifts day to day based on heart rate variability and sleep. Multi-band GPS plus brighter display delivers reliable urban canyon accuracy. What you need to know: no built-in topo maps like the FR965. The 47mm size runs large for smaller wrists, and mic and speaker still need your phone nearby for actual calls. Best for serious runners wanting modern training metrics short of flagship. Not for trail runners needing maps or smaller wrist users. Serious training metrics without crossing into flagship territory. Product number 6. Garmin Venu 4 for $499.99. Pivot the lineup. This is the health-focused premium for lifestyle buyers. Key specs: 45mm stainless steel bezel, 1.4-inch AMO LED, built-in LED flashlight, 12-day battery, multi-GNSS GPS, ECG, 24/7 health monitoring with sleep coaching and circadian alignment. Buyers consistently call out the LED flashlight as the unexpected daily win. First one on a Venu. New health status alerts flag changes in heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and respiration. The downsides: it's not built for serious running. Race-adaptive workouts and multi-band GPS sit on the Forerunner side. The case is heavier than the Vivoactive 6, and the design is lifestyle-tuned. Best for health-focused buyers wanting premium build and detailed sleep coaching. Not for serious runners. They belong on a Forerunner, the Venu line's biggest upgrade since launch. Tier 4. Luxury Garmin Watches. $600 to $800. Product number 7. Garmin Forerunner 970 for $649.99. The runner's flagship. Everything Garmin gives a runner in titanium. Key specs: 47mm titanium bezel, sapphire lens, brightest AMO LED, built-in LED flashlight, 15-day battery, 26-hour GPS, running economy and step speed loss metrics with heart rate monitor 600, full topo maps. Reviewers report this is the first running watch where training metrics meaningfully change how runners structure their week. Running economy plus step speed loss turn the 970 into a coaching tool, not just a tracker. Here's where it falls short. Running economy and step speed loss need the heart rate monitor 600 chest strap. The 47mm titanium body is the largest pure runner here, and skin temperature needs hours to stabilize. Best for serious runners wanting Garmin's deepest training analytics. Not for anyone unwilling to wear a chest strap. Garmin's most complete running watch, without the multisport overhead of a Fenix. Product number 8. Garmin Fenix 8 for $749.99. And finally, the most accomplished multisport watch in the lineup. Key specs: 47mm stainless steel bezel, 1.4-inch AMOLED, built-in LED flashlight, dive rated to 40 meters, 16-day battery, 47-hour GPS, full topo maps, multi-band GPS, microphone and speaker. Every running, triathlon, golf, and dive profile Garmin makes. Reviewers describe the Fenix 8 as the single Garmin that genuinely replaces an entire wrist collection. The 47-hour GPS battery plus dive rating covers a marathon, an ocean swim, and a backcountry weekend. The honest truth, the stainless steel build is heavier than the FR 970 for runners. Voice features need your phone nearby for calls, and no in-reach satellite on the non-pro variant. Best for multisport athletes, divers, and adventurers using 4+ activity profiles. Not for pure runners. The FR 970 is lighter and more focused. Gold standard of compact multisport flagships. All right, the winners. Best value, Forerunner 165, AMOLED, Garmin Coach, training-grade running tools, and a battery that easily covers a week. Best for runners, Forerunner 970, every training metric Garmin makes, in the lightest flagship body with the brightest AMOLED in the lineup. Best for outdoor, Fenix 8, dive-rated, full topo maps, LED flashlight, and 47-hour GPS battery, no compromise. Best premium pick, Venu 4, premium lifestyle build, LED flashlight, and the new health status alerts that flag changes before symptoms appear. Skip this. Vivoactive 6. Multi-band GPS is nice, but plastic bezel and missing flashlight make the Venu 4 the better path forward. My personal pick? Forerunner 970. Garmin's deepest training analytics in titanium, without the multisport overhead I'd never use. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this saved you from picking the wrong Garmin, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which one you're getting. Running, fitness, outdoor, or full flagship. I reply to every comment. See you next time.